Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm not a huge creator or anything like that. I give you helpful tips and tricks about investing and money related topics without all the fuss. And I know there's a lot of different ways of making money online, but in this video, I want to focus on YouTube since there might still be people on the fence about it and just don't know if they can actually do it. And I want to show you one of my live proofs of how much I made it last month just so you know it works. And if you really want it to work, you need to have some patience and be consistent and only do videos on topics that you like to talk about. If not, you'll hate making videos when you don't see money coming in. So with that being said, I'll be going over 6 different ways on how to make money off of YouTube. Number 1, aim for channel monetization. The bare minimum you'll need for this to work is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. I know you're gonna be saying, oh man, this is going to be tough. But remember, this is not going to be tough when you actually enjoy making the videos that you like making. Like for this channel, I'm just doing it for fun. I post about 1 video a week, and if you check out my analytics, in about a month, I got somewhere about $190. And of course, it's not consistent. Some months I'll do more and some months I'll do less. I know there's potential for me to make more if I make more videos, but sometimes I have other priorities. But I do hope on some videos I do provide enough value where you can save hundreds of dollars on stock tips or a couple of $1,000s on real estate tips. And if you want more motivation, here's my other YouTube channel where I made $2,745 in a month without showing my face. I actually made a video a while back showing you my entire process on how I did it. If you want to check that out, link is down below. I'm not trying to sell you a course or anything. It's just free knowledge for someone that's actually doing it. For that channel, I actually double my uploads, so that's why my revenue is $1,000 more. If you were wondering why the dramatic increase in revenue when watching my other video. And here's my 100K plaque if you're wondering. Number 2, sell products or merchandise. When you have a huge following, it's easy to sell, and I've done that. You can talk about the product once in a video, and that video will be on there almost forever. So imagine doing that multiple times, but if for some reason it gets a lot of traction and YouTube starts to promote it more, it could just go viral. And when more people watch that video, some would be interested in buying the product or merch. For video ideas, you can document the process of making your products. If you like woodworking, show viewers how you can make beautiful cabinets or nightstands. If you're into photography, you can sell your own presets. If you're into bodybuilding, you can sell ebooks, diet plans, or just share recipes with others. Showcase your inspiration designs and just put them on clothes if you like. There's sites like Teespring or Printful to help you out on printing process or inventory, so you don't need to do it yourself. I know you're not like Logan Paul doing millions of dollars off of merch, but if you show that you personally care about your audience, which will work best if you show your face, they will genuinely support you. And I've seen this happening with only a couple hundred subscribers too. You don't need thousands of subscribers to make it work. YouTube is like any other social media platform. It's a platform where you can share whatever you want to others as long as you follow their guidelines. Number 3, form a membership group for supportive fans. Now, if you want to make money off of YouTube's platform, there's some requirements you need to hit. For example, the join button that you see on some creators' channel, they make money off of that, but you'll need to have at least 30,000 subscribers to be eligible. If you're a gaming channel, then you must have 1,000 subscribers to be eligible. You can set your own rates on how much you want to charge, and if people really like you and support you, they'll join. Besides that, you can also make money from going live on YouTube and earn with super chat and super stickers. Basically, when you go live on YouTube, people can support you or your channel by donating money. The idea is similar to Twitch, but for this to work, you'll need to have 1,000 subscribers. But if you don't have a large following, it's okay. You can always guide them off of YouTube like Patreons, where loyal fans can pay you a monthly subscription to support your content. Number 4, license your content. If it's educational or entertaining, you'll have a better shot of having others wanting to use your videos, and you'll get paid for it. This could be from companies, talk shows, news outlets, or any media outlets. This happens a lot when a funny viral video gets a lot of attention. People will be willing to pay top dollars to get full usage of the video, and you never know what's going to go viral or not until you actually make the video and post it online, right? Number 5, do affiliate marketing. A lot of huge creators are doing it, and if they are doing it, you should probably get into it as well. To be successful at this, you probably should know how to use the product or service that you're going to promote, and also be ready to talk about the pros and cons about it, because your subscribers might be interested in it and ask questions. This is where you come in play. If you can solve their problem and people can see value in it, they might consider clicking on your link and buying the product or service. Sometimes I have links on there and it doesn't cost me anything just to put it on there. You can do product reviews and put Amazon affiliate links on there if you want, or talk about digital services. I like to talk about stocks, so I tell people where they can get free stocks, like getting 4 free stocks from Weibo or getting 2 free stocks on Robinhood. And at the time of this recording, they are still running their promotion, by the way, if you're curious and if you want to invest in the stock market. Link is down below if you want to check it out. See what I just did there? Number 6, work with other brands. It's easy when you have a large following, because then people will reach out to you to see if you can promote their products or services. I've experienced this many times with my other channel, but on this one, not so much. But I do occasionally get about like 1 outreach every other month or so, and that's still something. I only have about 2,000 subscribers, and sometimes big brands just don't care. But it's okay, I do it for you guys and not them. Plus, they want me to promote some random services that I don't even know, and I feel comfortable promoting something that I truly trust and not get paid for it, so then you get my honest opinion about the product or service. Also, it'll look bad on me if I start promoting some scammy product or service, which I don't like doing. Again, you don't need thousands of subscribers for you to get the promotion or sponsorships. If you don't have that, you'll just have to work a little bit harder in terms of reaching out to brands or companies to see if they're willing to do some paid per sponsorships or promotion with you. Overall, if you're new to the whole thing about how to make money off of YouTube and you're kind of hesitant about it, don't be. Everyone has to start somewhere, and it's totally fine if you don't have an audience to begin with. When I started this channel, no one knew about me, not even my family. Then one of my friends happened to stumble upon me on YouTube search and noticed me on one of my thumbnails. And then a couple months later, a handful of my long lost friends knew about my channel. So let's just say that if you are consistent and like what you do on YouTube, people will start subscribing to you. And you never know, maybe you could be the next PewDiePie. Anyway, if you like this video, feel free to give it a like and maybe consider subscribing for more videos related to money or investing. And I'll catch y'all later.